Hey family, welcome back to our channel. Stay tuned for our Tron Lightcycle Run at Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom. But before we get started, I want you guys to run up our New York trip vlog. And like, comment, and share that video, because we lit. What's going on, family? So, start off our day. It was early afternoon, or I should say late afternoon. We hopped on the bus, headed over to Magic Kingdom, and on our way over, we were excited, because we're testing out the new Tron Lightcycle Run, and this is, I guess special access. Before it's open to the public in April. I'm not sure the date, so don't quote me, but I believe it's April. Hey fam, y'all think the security following us? I feel like he's following us. So we were supposed to go in, but people don't ever know what they talking about. So we had to turn all the way back around, go all the way back to the front to access whatever we needed to access, because we caught the bus here. I don't know, in order to get into the park. So we're on the ferry. Yeah, so whatever we needed to access, we had to do it at the main gate or at the front of Magic Kingdom. So we had to take the ferry back to the front, or to the front, because we took the bus over. We had to take the ferry over, access, I guess, the tickets to get on the ride, and then head back into Magic Kingdom. So okay, because you will fun. I ain't gonna lie. I want you guys to comment down below your favorite transportation at Magic Kingdom, whether it be the bus, the ferry, or the monorail. Me personally, I probably prefer the monorail. I know a lot of people like the ferry because they like to see the water and stuff like that. Sometimes I do too, but my favorite is definitely the monorail.
Yeah, she's like, how you like it there? I was like, yeah. Guardians of the Galaxy, he's talking out loud and we can't talk. But I ended up liking it. I like it. Okay, so we are on Disney's Mathis. He said I'm a tall guy, so that means he must be tame.
Everybody's excited for the ride. We're close. We're almost to the front. Big Willie, you scared?
I just showed you. Don't take no photos.
You're gonna break the feet again, like you did with the other guy?
Attention, sharp turns with sudden drops and stops.
So they scared, y'all.
For your safety.
I'm scared, and I'm alright with admitting that. I'm scared.
Restraint secure.
Tron Lightcycle Run is a thrilling, high-speed roller coaster type ride in a genre, making sharp turns with sudden drops and stops.
She having second thoughts.
You're gonna figure it out with us.
She trying to back out.
I ain't trying.
What? Already?
Young Team Blue users.
Wow. Wow. So it's official. They backed out on us. They backed out. They backed out. Comment down below if you will back out too. Oh, you can't believe that we're about to do it. Even though we came here with full access.
All access.
All access. All full access. And you're surprised that we're getting on the ride.
Remember, hold on, keep your head up. Initiate in 3, 2,
We gotta make sure we finish. Okay, yeah.
We made it.
That was legit.
We made it.
That was, and it was actually quick. Look, it was only a minute.
We did good.
That was legit though. I would give that. That was a 10 out of 10 right there. That was a 10. Yeah, so that 10 out of 10. The best part of the ride was I guess when you kind of think that it's over with, and it starts back up into the building. So like I said, that's a 10 out of 10. It's a few rides I consider a 10 out of 10. But to my preference, As of right now, I would say it's definitely between, as far as roller coasters, it's definitely between this one and
Scary Cat.
and Aerosmith. Look at these two. Look at these two. Look at these two. Look, look.
Like even.
All these people come to see me. Don't hate. Where are we going?
She's going right here.
Who? Oh, what, you going over here?
Yeah.
You ain't getting on the ride, so how you get rewarded?
It's not a reward. It's what I want.
Well, life ain't always about what you want.
Watch.
We're at Sleepy Hollow Refreshments. Funnel cake. Fresh fruit waffle sandwich. Sweet and spicy chicken waffle sandwich. Hand dipped corn dog.
Say ooh. Say ooh.
She says it's melting in her mouth.
It's like
Go ahead, get you another piece.
ooh, it's hot.
Yes, sir.
Ooh.
The Tron roller coaster, once again, 10 out of 10. So we're headed out. There you have it for this video. I want you to like, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. We out.
Go harder, all I want need not the one from the Parkers. He need help practice hitting them targets. Can't cool down shit, you can't get me started. I'm like meat lil, but I'm light-hearted. She want flowers, I'ma build her a garden. Flat toss forever, they're my favorite barbers. I ain't exclusive, kill beats like a Spartan. I ain't exclusive, kill beats like a Spartan.